So hi guys, today we're going to talk about SQL command, and first of all we are using a table called HR. So once we connect to HR, we'll go to SQL workshop and we go to SQL command. So in SQL command, first we look at the question. We were given 10 questions, and the questions I have done the answers. So the first question will be write a query in SQL to display the name of country, city and departments which are running there. So the SQL command will be in order to display output, we are using select to select the output the data from the table to display out. So here we use select country name, city, department name. And from which table they are using is from the country table joining with another table called department and using. So once we run, you'll get the output, which is country name, city and department. Alright, for question number 2, which is write a query in SQL to display the full name, which is first name and last name of employees and job title of those employees working in the department which ID is 80. So same case here, we are using the select. We are using select to display job title, first name and last name as the employee's name. So from which table it will be employees table and joining with the job table. Here we'll be having a condition where department ID will be 80. So once we run, this will be our output. Okay, for question number 3, write a query in SQL to display the name of department, average salary and number of employees working in that department who got commission. So the same thing we are doing here. We are using select to display department name, average salary and account. From which table it will be department table and joining employees by using their primary key, which is department ID, and we'll group the list by department name. So once we run, this is our output. It will be having department name, average salary and account, which is the commission. For question number 4, which is write a query in SQL to display job title, full name of employees and difference between maximum salary of jobs and salary of employees. So here we are using select also. So what we're going to display is the job title, the first name and last name to be combined as the employee's name, and to display maximum salary with the salary difference from the table of employees joining with the table of jobs. So once we run, we are having a table output which is showing job title, employee's name and salary difference. For question number 5 is to display job title, department name, full name of the employees and their starting date of all the jobs on or after 1st January 1993 and ending with or before 31st August 1997. So over here, we are using select statement in order to display the output, which we are displaying the job title, department name So here we have Slack for display the job title, department name, first name and last name. Then we have the start date of the employees. We are taking the data from the job history and we are combining it with the job table together with the department table and employees table using their primary keys. So here we have a condition whereby we will put where start date will be 1st January 1993 and the start date less or equals to 31st August 1997. One moment here. So okay, so this will be our output. We're having job title, department name, employee's name and start date. For question number 6, which is to display the names, first name and last name, department number of those employees who work in the same department and who holds the last name as Taylors. So once we run, we have the first name, last name and department ID. So we are using select to display the output we wanted, and from is to take the data from which table. So for question number 7, will be display the first name of employees and first name of their manager who does not work under any manager. So we will use select as well to display the first name as employee's name. Then we will display manager's name as the manager, and from which table it will be the employees table. So joining with the manager's employee together with the manager's table. So here we have employee's name and manager. So for question number 8, display the name, department number and the department name for all employees who have and do not have any department. So this will be the output. We have first name, last name, department ID and department name. Next is question number 9. To display department name, city, state for each department. Okay, so we are using select from, and to join the table we are using join table, which is location by using the location ID. So this is the output. And question number 10 is to display the first name of all employees, including their first name of their managers. So the same thing we are doing here. We are using select to display the first name of employees